You got the hiccups, pretty girl? Are you a good girl, Queenie? Poor girl's got the hiccups.